Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. 2 seconds to say very thank you so much to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. You guys are amazing. Before we go into today's tutorial, I just want to remind you guys the giveaway for this month is still on, so just go in and double check it. I just put the link of the giveaway video just here in the corner so you guys can go check it out. Amazing prizes to be won. Right, today guys, I wanted to show you like a little decoupage project I believe. I bought these two photo frames from Poundland in a recent Poundland haul. Again, I will put the link just in here guys on the corner so you can guys go check it out. I bought these two picture frame for £1. Yes, two for £1, 50p each. And I can guarantee you guys the quality is really good. This one is still on its original packaging. And on this one, I just removed the glass. Well, it's plastic, I suppose. Oh, must be glass. From bit so glue don't get in the way, and of course the little side bit in there as well. Okay, so what I wanted to do with these guys, I want to apply some gold leaf and make them look a bit more premium, I suppose. Everything is in our living room, you guys saw me showing you my living room in a recent Christmas decoration haul. It's literally gold, brass and all of that, so I thought doing some gold leaf will match the style and the decor that we have in our living room. Okay, so just open this packet of gold leaf. I bought this off Amazon, so you can buy them in different craft suppliers or Amazon, whatever you guys want them to buy. So easy to find. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start from this corner and work the way around. And of course guys, I will pause it because I don't want to bother you, because it's probably gonna take me a good half an hour to do all the frame. Okay, so what you do, just put a bit of glue, and with the brush, I got this from Poundland. You just literally just put the glue in there. I don't want the gold leaf to cover the full lot. I just want a little bit like a vintage antique effect. So I'm just going to put some in there. You see, you just apply a bit and then you pull it out. So you just got bit just like that, and then again with the back of the brush you just make sure all the little pieces are flat. Okay, and then again you go all over it until you're happy with the result. So this is the effect that I wanted to achieve. Just like that. Yeah, very cute, I think. What I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna cover the surface of the other frame, and I'll come back to you guys to show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay guys, the full surface of the frame has been covered, and I still have a few, literally I probably used half of the gold leaves in the package. So as you can see as well, I applied a generous layer of glue on top of the gold leaf. Now I use tacky glue, so this will dry clear. Now you don't have to do that, you can apply a layer of gloss if you want, but this frame is only going to stay here indoor for us, so I don't really need a full coverage for like shiny, for protections and stuff. But you can, after you apply your gold leaves, you can spray any varnish or anything to make sure the gold leaves is properly fixed, and you create another layer to protect from like dust and stuff. But the glue will do as much, you know, as well as that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let it dry and then come back with you together, and then we'll see the different ones. It's all nice and dry and shiny. I will see you in a very second. Right, guys, it's almost totally dry. It just got some glue residue in here, but pretty much probably another couple of hours and it will be fully dry. Okay, that is it. This is a really cute, nice, easy upcycling project. So what I always recommend, guys, when you go to Poundland, B&M, Pound Stretcher, any sort of like cheaper shop, trying to see things with a different perspective, because you can upcycle, make things a bit nicer, a bit more glam, or you know, from rustic to slick and vice versa. So you can change things and just use a bit of creativity and a bit of imagination. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this, again, very simple tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group and an Instagram account. Any video requests, guys, just drop me a text over there. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day and I will see you very soon. Bye.